Number 19 says find the value of x in the figure. You notice that we have vertical angles. Vertical angles are, it's like when you have a pair of lines that intersect each other, the vertical angles are the opposite pairs of angles. So vertical angles are always congruent to each other. So when we solve this, we can just set each of those expressions equal to each other. So 3x plus 35 equals 2x plus 60. So when we solve this, we're going to subtract 2x from both sides of the equation, and that's going to give us x plus 35 equals 60. And then finally we're going to subtract 35 from both sides, and we will get x equals 25. And you can do a quick check by substituting back into these expressions, and you should get the same result. Okay, the next problem says find the value of x in the figure. We have a straight line in this figure. So you can see this is a straight line. So the measure of angle of a straight line is 180 degrees. So this entire angle here is 180 degrees from there to there. So what we have, this first piece of the angle is measure 5x minus 30, and the second piece is 3x plus 50. But the sum of those should be 180 degrees. So we have 5x minus 30 plus 3x plus 50 equals 180. And we go ahead and solve that equation. First, we're going to combine like terms. It's going to give us 8x plus 20 equals 180. Then we're going to subtract 20 from both sides. And we're going to get 8x equals 160. And finally, we're going to divide by 8 on both sides. And the value of x is 20. To find the value of x, in this figure we have a 90-degree angle. This box right here shows that it's 90 degrees. So we know the sum of these two angles is 90 degrees, because this entire angle here measures to 90 degrees. So 3x plus 30 plus 7x minus 10 equals 90. Combine like terms, we get 10x plus 20 equals 90. We're going to subtract 20 from both sides, and that's going to give us 10x equals 70. And finally, we divide both sides by 10, and x equals 7.